Hi, I'm Allie, and I'm a clinical director here at Katie in Atlanta. Today I'm going to talk with you about schedules. So visual schedules use pictures to communicate what activities take place and in the order in which they will take place. They can be used with all children regardless of diagnosis. In the video, you'll see me using it with a 2.5-year-old. Visual schedules provide you with an easy and simple way to create predictability and set clear expectations. So how do you use it? The first thing I want you to do is write down a list of activities that make up your child's day. You need to be really specific. So instead of saying wake up and get ready, you want to write get dressed, brush teeth, eat breakfast. Make sure to include those fun activities and the ones that they look forward to as well. So going swimming, watching a favorite TV show, and playing outside. The next thing to do is create the physical visual schedule. So there's templates on our website that you can download, as well as a video that will walk you through the process. You're going to want to look at the list of activities and reinforcers that are saved when you download, and you're going to cut out the icons that represent activities on the list that you made. If you see there's a specific activity or reward that is missing from our list, go ahead and take a picture or use Google Image to find a different one and just cut it out. So I always like to include, you'll see there's a special activity icon for when something comes up and there isn't a specific icon to represent it. All right, so to set up the activity, you're simply just going to place the activities on the side that says to do. If you need to start small and present only 2 activities at once, consider using the first then board. There's another video on that one. So the next thing to do is just start the first activity. So refer to the schedule, say it's time to wash hands, point to it, and then allow your child to move it to all done when the activity is over. So the order that you present the activities is really important. So if you're noticing there's a time of day that your child struggles or a task that's extra hard for them, really take a look at the activity schedule. So look at the activities and schedule breaks and preferred activities between non-preferred. So here we're gonna wash hands, then I have eat breakfast, that would likely be a preferred activity depending on the child, get dressed, then play outside, then clean up. If the task is too hard for your child, consider breaking it down into smaller components. So instead of cleaning the whole playroom or cleaning their entire room, break the playroom up into 3 separate areas and present each area separately. All right, bud, you see this? We're gonna wash hands, then we'll do bubbles, clean up, and read. What's first?
Wash hands.
Wash hands, let's go wash hands. Oh, this way. Can you reach? Need a boost? Oh, here you go. Turning on the water. Need some soap. Oh, look at you get that soap. Alrighty, here's a towel. Good. Okay, washing hands is all done. Put that right here. All done. What's next?
The bubbles.
Bubbles! We're gonna go over here.
Over here.
Look. Remember to practice. It'll take time. Consistency and repetition is the key. Your child may not initially understand that these icons actually represent actual activities. Ensure you're referring back to the schedule and icon when they're engaging in the activity to help establish meaning to the icons. Once your child learns the concept of a schedule, uses it consistently, they may be able to navigate it without you. Once they have the hang of it, try presenting the schedule and stand back. Watch them navigate through it independently or at least with less assistance. The long-term goal should be for the child to learn to navigate through the schedule independently.